So I'm just going to take you through how to review your GST return. So first of all, make sure all of your transactions are reconciled up until the end of the GST period. Then we're going to go to Accounting and GST Return. And we're going to click on the return that we would like to file. So what Xero is going to do is take you to a summary page which shows how much GST at the moment it's saying that you need to pay, or how much refund you'll receive, and then it just has some standard information here, your IRD number, which period we're doing, so on, and then a summary of how many sales went through in the month, how many expenses went through in the month, and then how they got to the net. To check what is coming through, we go to the GST audit report, and these are all the items that we've paid for that included GST, and so we're claiming back the GST on all of these items. So we can review those to make sure that's reasonable. And then this is our sales, so we're going to check that all of our sales invoices are in here because they will likely all include GST. And then probably the most key part to check is the no GST at the bottom. Bank fees will not have GST on them, wages and salaries won't have GST on them, and some overseas payments won't have GST on them. So for overseas payments, I think we treat them as if they don't have GST unless you have an invoice that shows 15% New Zealand GST. So this is really where you don't want any expenses coming in that you've paid GST on, and you don't want to accidentally put them in this category here. So that's the main thing to check. If you're running out of time, just check this section. Any drawings should also be going through this section. So once we're happy with our transactions, we click Save and Save Final, and then it will save it as a final return. You can always revert it to draft if you need to afterwards, and then we go File with the IRD. The first time it will ask you to put in your login details with the IRD, and after that it will remember, and then you'll just be able to do that yourself every time.